cars. Yeah, I be the coolest. Look at the ice, I'm just taking the jeweler. Glock 45, it ain't matching medulla. Told me she crazy, but I never knew it. Restraining order, my lawyer is Jewish. She said, "Lil' Moon, what's on your tag?" I do not brag.
Alright, huh, man? Unlock the jump. Get that jump for me. Get that jump for me. You got it. Yeah. Start them young. Yeah, there we go. Yes, sir. Get that off there. It's a big ass tire. It's that motorcycle tire. What a title. I need to show y'all on the title. That Jones. It says motorcycle, legit. And then the key says Honda. It's crazy. Put some oil in this joint. I need to get a muffler for it, for real. Yeah. Yeah, squeeze it on in there. Yeah. Oh, she getting it. I know I'm gonna weigh some. As long as in there. For a minute, y'all, I won't get power. But now, as you can see, it's on full. Gas light on, everything on. Let's see if the electric start work. Who is that? Huh, let me see if it works.